Have you ever looked at a pile of scrap metal and seen something more? Something beautiful and useful? Perhaps in that seemingly chaotic mess, you see the potential for a masterpiece waiting to be crafted. Something like a one-of-a-kind staircase? A structure that not only serves a purpose but also tells a story of transformation and creativity. With a little imagination and some elbow grease, you can transform ordinary scrap metal into an extraordinary centerpiece for your home. The process is as rewarding as the final product, turning raw materials into a work of art. This is the magic of DIY, turning the unwanted into the extraordinary. It's about seeing the hidden potential in what others might discard, and bringing it to life with your own hands. Building your own scrap metal staircase is a fantastic way to express your creativity while being kind to your wallet and the planet. It's a sustainable approach that combines artistry with practicality. It's about giving new life to discarded materials and creating something truly unique for your living space. Each piece of metal has its own history, and you get to write the next chapter. This project is perfect for those who aren't afraid of a little hard work and love the satisfaction of saying, "I built that." It's a testament to your skills and vision. Ready to embark on this exciting journey of upcycling and transformation? Gather your tools, unleash your creativity, and let's get started. Let's dive in and turn your scrap metal dreams into reality. The adventure of upcycling awaits, and the possibilities are endless. Before we even touch a piece of scrap metal, we need a plan. A well-thought-out design is the foundation of any successful DIY project, especially one as structurally important as a staircase. Start by measuring your space carefully. How much room do you have for the staircase? What is the height between floors? These measurements will determine the size and shape of your staircase. Next, think about the style you want. Do you envision a sleek and modern staircase or something more rustic and industrial? Browse online for inspiration and sketch out different designs until you find one that speaks to you and fits your space. Remember, this is your chance to create a staircase as unique as you are. Now comes the fun part: sourcing your building materials. The beauty of this project is that it utilizes readily available and often free scrap metal. Start by checking local scrap yards, metal fabrication shops, and even online marketplaces. When selecting your metal, keep in mind the different parts of the staircase. Sturdy steel beams or pipes are ideal for the frame, providing strength and stability. For the steps, you can get creative with sheet metal, grating, or even reclaimed wood planks for a mixed media look. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Old car parts, discarded machinery, or even vintage metal signs can add a touch of personality and history to your staircase. Remember, each piece has a story. Let yours be a testament to upcycling and creativity. Section 4. Metamorphosis, prepping your scraps for stardom. Once you've gathered your metal treasures, it's time to prepare them for their grand transformation. This is where the magic begins, turning what was once discarded into something truly remarkable. This step involves cleaning, cutting, and potentially treating the metal to ensure it's safe, structurally sound, and ready for its new life as a stunning staircase. The preparation process is crucial and sets the foundation for the quality and durability of your final product. Start by cleaning your metal thoroughly. This means removing any dirt, grease, or other contaminants that could affect the metal's performance or appearance. Remove any rust, paint, or debris using a wire brush, grinder, or sandpaper. This step is essential to ensure a smooth surface that will be easier to work with and will look better in the final product. Always wear protective gear like gloves, goggles, and a mask during this process to protect yourself from sharp edges and metal dust. Safety should always be your top priority when working with metal. Next, cut your metal pieces to the desired lengths and shapes based on your design plan. Precision is key here, as the accuracy of your cuts will directly impact the assembly and final look of your staircase. A metal saw or angle grinder will be your best friend for this task. These tools allow you to make precise cuts and shapes, ensuring that each piece fits perfectly into your design. If you're working with thicker pieces of metal, you might need to enlist the help of a professional metal fabricator for cutting and shaping. Their expertise and specialized equipment can handle the more challenging aspects of metalwork, ensuring your project is a success. Section 5. Building the backbone. Welding your staircase frame. With your metal prepped and ready, it's time to start building the backbone of your staircase, the frame. This crucial structure will support the entire staircase, so it's essential to get it right. Begin by laying out your metal beams or pipes according to your design. Use clamps to hold them in place while you tack weld the joints together. Once you're satisfied with the fit, complete the welds, ensuring they are strong and secure. If you're new to welding, take some time to practice on scrap pieces first. It's important to master the technique to ensure your welds are strong enough to support the weight of the staircase and its users. If you're not comfortable welding, consider hiring a professional welder for this step. Section 6. Steps to success, attaching treads and risers. With the frame securely in place, it's time to add the steps, the part you'll actually be walking on. This is where your creativity can really shine. If you're using sheet metal for the treads, cut them to size and shape them as needed. You can leave them as is for an industrial look or add non-slip coverings like rubber mats or textured paint for better traction. For a more rustic feel, consider using reclaimed wood planks for the treads. The warmth of the wood will contrast beautifully with the industrial metal frame, creating a visually appealing and inviting staircase. Secure the treads and risers to the frame using bolts or welding, ensuring they are level and evenly spaced. Gap 3S. Section 7. Customizing with character. Now that your treads and risers are securely in place, it's time to give your staircase a unique character that reflects your personal style. This step is all about adding custom elements that will set your staircase apart. Consider incorporating decorative accents such as metal scrollwork, artistic cutouts, or even embedded LED lights for a modern touch. These small details can make a big difference in the overall aesthetic. If you prefer a more natural look, you can add wooden embellishments or carvings to the sides of the staircase. These can be simple geometric shapes or intricate designs depending on your taste. You can also think about adding a touch of color with paint or stains. Whether you choose a bold hue or a subtle shade, adding color can bring your staircase to life and make it a true focal point in your home. Don't forget about the underside of the staircase. This often overlooked area can be an excellent canvas for creativity. You could add a mural, wallpaper, or even a series of small shelves to turn it into a functional and decorative space. Finally, consider the overall theme of your home and how your staircase fits into that vision. Whether it's industrial chic, rustic farmhouse, or modern minimalist, each detail should contribute to a cohesive look that enhances your living space. By taking the time to add these custom touches, you're not just building a staircase, you're creating a piece of art that tells a story. Every element you add reflects your personality and creativity, making your staircase a true reflection of who you are. Section 7. The finishing touches, from rustic to refined. Your scrap metal staircase is nearly complete. The structure is solid, and the basic form is in place. Now it's time to add those finishing touches that will elevate it from a functional structure to a work of art. These details will not only enhance its appearance but also its usability. Consider adding a handrail for safety and visual appeal. A well-designed handrail can make a significant difference. You can use metal pipes, reclaimed wood, or even a combination of materials to create a handrail that complements your staircase design. The choice of materials can reflect your personal style. Combining different materials can add texture and interest, making your staircase a focal point in your home. Finally, protect and enhance the beauty of your creation with a finish. This step is crucial for both aesthetics and durability. A clear coat sealant will protect the metal from rust and corrosion, ensuring your staircase remains beautiful for years to come. While a coat of paint can add a pop of color and personality. Choose a color that complements your home decor. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed scrap metal into a stunning staircase. This is a testament to your creativity and hard work. Not only have you created a unique and functional piece for your home, but you've also added a personal touch that reflects your style. You've given new life to discarded materials, turning them into something beautiful and useful. That's something to be proud of. Your staircase is not just a structure, but a piece of art and a symbol of sustainability.